Today I'm going to show you how to repair a low voltage irrigation cable. The tools we will be using for this are some quality wire strippers, multi-grips, and these 3M compressible gel-filled wire repair joiners. Now, as you can see here, I have some cable that I've broken earlier, and we've actually already repaired the black cable. The next cable that I want to repair is the white cable. And so what I'm going to do is just move all of the other cables out of the way to give me some space to work. And I'm going to grab these high quality wire strippers. It's really important that you use good quality wire strippers for this kind of thing. You'll find that the time that you save is way covered by the cost of the wire strippers. Now, I've just taken back the ends of those cables. Now, some people that are watching might be wondering why we've stripped those back, because these wire joiners can actually be used without taking that off, because of the metal strip that's inside will actually go past the sheath and pierce to the metal. But what we found with 1/2 mil cable, which is the cable that I'm using here, is that sometimes the sheath doesn't get pierced because it's not big enough. And so we like to strip them back, twist them. We insert them into the wire joiner past the point where you can't see any copper actually sticking out. The edge of this is where the seal will finish. Grab your multi-grips or pliers, and you're just crushing that down like that until the gel squeezes out and you physically can't remove those wire joins. And that's done. On a commercial project, we would encourage you to bury these in a valve box so that you've got access if you ever need it in the future. If you want to know anything about wire joiners or anything else irrigation related, please do not hesitate to reach out at waterpro.com.au.